Hey, this is Tom Lino. Welcome to Moth's Models and Mistakes, probably Mistakes in Models. This is my second video, and I'm actually, the weather isn't right to do any painting in my model room because I made a mistake and left the window open. So while that's doing its thing, I thought I would just, I don't know, here's some little business and just like this is, can you see it? Oh, let's go right out to there. Okay, that is the picture I took of the USS Guadalcanal's bow cutting through the water. We were out on just below the flight deck, and my friend Virgil, I just had to get that picture. I had an Instamatic camera on me, and I said, here, I wanted to see the color of the water if it changed, because it was just brilliant. We were in the Caribbean. And anyhow, I said, hold my legs, and he held my legs, and he was like, what are you doing? What are you doing? But I just did it, jumped up there like I'd never do now. And he held me around my knees, and I just projected myself over the, the little iron fence that was keeping us from falling into the ocean. Anyway, I had promised that I would show this, and that's it. Yeah, directly above here, just about there, is the flight deck. And flight operations were actually going on. If anybody had seen us, we'd been shot. Well, maybe not shot. Walk the plank, maybe. Who knows? But anyway, I wanted to give that enough airtime. So if I give a story, man, it's true. I got all kinds of pictures. Actually, this is part of my military stuff, but this is what I like to do best when I was in the military. Yeah, I'm afraid Virgil took that. He was my best friend. I still talk to him every couple of years. Anyway, you don't need to see me sleeping anymore. Yeah, I've changed. So I don't know what else to do. I just wanted to make sure I gave you some kind of video today. I won't be able to get them every day, although I have probably a lot more time than anybody else to make one. Let's see, my wife, she works for an insurance company, a medical insurance company, and we're from Vermont. We live in Montana because my daughter has been here and had been bugging us for years to come out here. And so we did, finally. And we just love this place, but, and here, oh, there you go, ADHD'd. This is what happens. I forgot completely what I was talking about. Seriously, I'd have to go back and see it. So that's the kind of stuff that happens. My wife, Becky, considers me eccentric for some of the things that I do. And she's probably right. She's right about everything else. Okay, so I'm going to cut off right now and get this out there and up. And I promise I'm going to have the model work. I did do an extra layer of primer on there yesterday, but I'm going to sand it and do some other things. So I just need to get it totally covered. Anyway, I'm just rambling because I don't know. I'm thinking at the same time, so sorry about that. You guys can go now, and I'll make sure that I go now, and next time I'll be a better video person. And I do have a light and a holder and all that kind of stuff coming. Should be here Friday, so I'm doing my best to make better videos. All right, guys, God bless. I'll talk at you soon. Talk to me soon too. Thanks. Like, subscribe, all that guy stuff.